So hello friends, I am Sarth. Today I will do convert app into Android. So today first step is go in Python Junior app and open one project. By open my project and click on share button, you can see this type of show button. Click on it, explore. So it convert into Android and you can publish this app in Play Store and any apps, and then you can convert into Android. And second step is this: go in this app, her URL copy, and or you can search to Google here, okay, and click on it. So you can see this create button. You can write name or click on it just like I typing. And click on next button. Click on finish. Okay, loading. Okay, you can see this and go in screen. You can type or name of app, okay, and then go in downside. You want to the screen one or no, so click on it, okay, and then you can copy app link, website link, such as I copy Google Meet link, Control C, and you can do also your project link, and you want to go in here and take a web and do here or some things I write here, and you test or explore to Android just like this, and then it is full. So it is done, and you can copy and download in laptop, okay, and you can paste here, and then you can go in block section, or here is nothing. You take some blocks or something just like buttons and so more text import. It is just like only thumbable. So please like my channel, subscribe, and please set on all my bell icon. Thank you for watching.